Greetings. This is a quick overview of the Jersey Friendly Yards plant database. You can use this database to search for both native plants as well as Jersey Friendly plants for your property. A couple of things you should know. If you want to save your list as you are searching, you have the ability to add plants to your list. I'm already logged in here, but you can click on this link up here to log in or to register, and just go through this the registration process here, and then you'll be able to actually keep track of the plants that you're interested in. So let's just dive into this. So if you have a specific plant that you want to find more information about, you can just type in, if you know the name, you can just type in either a common name or a scientific name into this field, and your plant list on the right will change every time that you select a filter or perform a search. And if you want to clear the filter or search, you just click on this X to clear the filter. So there are a variety of filters here based on region, plant type, soil and water needs, whether they attract wildlife, bloom time, etc. I'm based in southern New Jersey, so I'm going to click the region, the Coastal Plains region. And remember, each time you're selecting a filter, the list on the right-hand side is changing. If you're looking at this on mobile, the list is below the list of filters. So in this case, I'm going to select plant type, which is, I'm going to search just for flowers and specifically for native plants only. I also have a lot of deer in the area that I live, so I'm going to select the plants that are considered to have high deer resistance. So as you can see, the filters are all identified that you selected. Their filters are all identified here. If you want to clear any of those, you can individually X them out, or you can click on Clear All Filters. To see the detail information about the plant, just click on that, and you'll get additional images as well as a lot of additional detail information about the plant. If you want to add this, if you've already registered and you want to add this to your list, you just click on the little wheelbarrow icon here, and it'll automatically be added to your list. So this is a fairly intuitive, easy database to use. You can click on the Plant Your List button, and it'll show you the plants that you've already added to the list. If you're creating an individual list that you'd like to save, the best way to do that is to actually click on the Print Your List button, and then you can save. It's a little bit different depending on the computer you have or maybe the browser that you're using, but then you can save this as a PDF. So if you have, for example, built a list of, as I've done here, a list of native flowers, but you want to perform another search, the best way to save that list of native flowers is to save it as a PDF on your computer or on your mobile device. So I hope that's been helpful. We also have a lot more information here about native plants. You can click on this widget here, this little information box, and learn where you can actually learn about some of the nurseries that have a large collection of native and Jersey-friendly plants based on the county location. Hope this has been helpful, and hope you have a good time exploring the Jersey Friendly Yards plant database.